There's where I'm fucking stuck.
Relax. Just relax a bit.
Stuck. My chest is stuck.
Can you get higher? Slightly. No?
Go. No.
Because you've got to get higher to get your arse round. In fact, I would even try and get level. You can.
I can't.
Well, do you want to reverse up? You might have to just get out. There is another way out, don't worry about it. Just relax. Get the air in, get the air in. Hey, you've done the hard bit there. Yeah? What's that? No, I don't think I'll be able to reach there. No.
I'm physically wedged. I'll have to go out.
Just push out back.
It's up there, you pull me!
You might have to pull him back. He's stuck at this corner. That's it. Yeah? This?
Oh.
Yeah, it looks tight. Don't think I get it.